Welcome to the KMTRADERS channel. We are looking at Ripple for this analysis of this video. Just before we get into the video, I just wanted to say that on Twitter I'll be providing updates on each of the videos that I provide in the weekly analysis. So you can, it's a chance for you to get involved, to see the setups that I'm doing and how to get into the trades. Ultimately, you can see the analysis of my thought processes on a short-term scale. So I provide all of that on Twitter. So if that's something that interests you, go ahead and have a look in the description and just give me a follow on Twitter. So without further ado, in reviewing our last week's video, what I was looking for was short at a key level at 0.4888, and we eventually got that as of the 3rd of July. We got the double retest, and eventually we got our short that we needed. So it was good amount of profit. We got a TP1 hit, but unfortunately TP2 didn't hit, so we got stopped out for our TP2. So we got the close above, so that gave me a bit of awareness, so that's why I started to move my stop losses towards into profit. So that scenario was correct in that sense. So in terms of what we can see right now, so that was okay for this week. We'll get rid of that. So let's take it back to a daily and we can see where we're heading. So just based off of the EMAs and the direction that it is telling us is, excuse me, we start to see that the EMAs are converging, which is basically a sign of a selling condition that we can slowly start to see. So we're rejecting the bottom half of our EMA as well as pushing away from the top half. So we're kind of in between. So with that level in place, I'll be looking for shorts again at this level here. Ultimately, if you're looking to buy, I'll be looking to buy in this box here. It is displayed as such. Let me just put it on the hours so you can tell. So if I just get rid of this, let's take it down to the 4 hourly. So as you can currently see, as of 1 o'clock today, the candle rose above and saw that we've got some buying action that's took off at this level, but we've seen some sort of rejection. So in terms of buying overall, I will be looking to buy, but at the right price, obviously. So what I'm seeing here, just due to rejection, and on the 4 hourly, we can see that there's converging of the EMA in terms of the upwards direction. So let's just go ahead and see what it looks like on the hourly. We can see that we've got some sort of buying EMA right now. As you can see here, it looks like it's just about to converge over into a buying condition. So combined with the overbought condition on the RSI, we're expecting to see price to come back down. So that is expected. So this is expected to become to act as a resistance. So what a possible scenario is that eventually this will come back up and then retest here, and this is where we'll buy before we head upwards. If not, let's just change color. If this, so that would be scenario 1. Another scenario is if we get a double top forming again as resistance before we head back down here, and then I'll be looking to buy at some point if it doesn't close below this zone, sort of that scenario, and then we head back up. So that is a possible scenario in the sense. So long positions if we can close above and we get the right confirmation, and again a long confirmation here again on this point here. just from this blue zone. So whatever price actually tells us, that's what we'll be doing, and we can only tell until the market actually gives us the clues first before we start entering. So just as I said at the start of the video, I'll be providing the updates of where I'll be entering just a little bit closely now. That'll be on Twitter. So all the videos that I do in terms of the weekly analysis, I will be showing my setups, how for you to get into the trade, and then ultimately the analysis that goes alongside it. So you can see my thought processes, etc., and perhaps it be some benefit to yourself. So if that's something that you'd like to get interested in, if that's something that interests you, then go ahead and follow my Twitter. But that's all for this video. So thank you very much for listening, and I'll see you next week.